In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to Notion page. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean page, insert an inline database, and add properties like assignee, due date, and status so your tasks are organized and easy to track. Start by going to Notion.com and logging in. On the home page, click Login, then continue with Google if that's your preferred sign-in method, and choose your account. Any login method works. The goal is simply to get into your workspace so we can create and edit a page. Once you're in Notion, create a new page. Click Add a page from the sidebar, then give your page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Think of this as the container for your mini task system. Inside the blank page, click in the space just below the page title to place your cursor. Type the / followed by the word database to bring up Notion's command menu, and choose Database Inline. An inline database is a small table that sits right inside your page. It's perfect for lists of tasks, projects, or notes, and it supports properties. Those are the columns that store details like people, dates, and statuses. Now let's add properties to the database. Click the plus icon, or Add Property. Choose Person to create a column that lets you assign items to teammates or to yourself. If you prefer a clearer label, click the column name and rename it to Assignee. Add another property the same way and choose Date. This will serve as your due date column, helping you sort and filter by deadlines. Then add one more property and select Status. Status gives you a simple workflow, typically with options like Not Started, In Progress, and Done, which you can customize later if you need to. With the structure ready, add your first item. Click New Page in the first row and type a concise task name, for example, Task 1. In that row, use the Assignee column to select the person responsible. In the Date column, click to open the calendar and pick the due date. In the Status column, choose In Progress to reflect the current state of the task. If you want to capture more details, repeat the same. Add property action to include other types, like Select for Priority, Checkbox for a quick flag, or Files for attachments, so your page becomes more informative without clutter. That's it. You've created a Notion page, inserted an inline database, and added properties for ownership, timing, and progress. Use this structure as a template for future projects and keep everything consistent across your workspace.